Microsoft Project's versatility is great. The customization options for each task are vast. One of the most useful ones is the ability to set the priority of a task. The maximum number, the one with the highest priority, is 1000. Let's change the task to that priority and then level all resources to see the effect of this change in priority. Double-click on task 4, change its priority from the default 500 to 1000, go to the Resources tab and click on the Level All icon. In Microsoft Project, we have 4 possible types of links you can use to link tasks. Sometimes these links may need some adjusting regarding the start date of the second task of the link. We have the option to delay a task, add a lag to it. Find task 4, double-click on it, go to the Predecessors tab and set the lag to 1 day. Delaying a task by adding a lag to it is not our only option. We may need to give the task a lead, which means make it start earlier. To achieve this, we have to give the task a negative lag. Find task 4, double-click on it, go to the Predecessors tab, set lag to -1 day, which is equal to a lead of 1 day. The lead and the lag don't need to be in the form of a standard time unit like days or hours. They can also be in the form of a percentage of the total task's duration. This way, it can dynamically change when the duration of the task changes. And it only takes a few clicks. Find task 4, double-click on it, go to the Predecessors tab, set lag to 20%. One of the most used task attributes is the effort-driven attribute. An effort-driven task is a task that will be completed faster if you assign more resources at it, as for example, painting a house. A non-effort-driven task is the one that has a standard duration regardless of the amount of resources. For example, the company's meeting will have a duration of 2 hours regardless of how many members of the board will attend. Setting a task as an effort-driven or not is rather simple. Find task 17, double-click on it, go to the Advanced tab and check the effort-driven checkbox. Click on OK and you are done. An extremely useful characteristic of Microsoft Project's task is the ability to add date constraints. Let's see how to add such a constraint to a task. Find task 86. Double-click on it. Go to the Advanced tab, set the constraint type to Must Start On, and set the constraint date to the required one. There are many types of date constraints. Let's add one to make sure that the task will not finish earlier than a specific date. Find task 4, double-click on it, go to the Advanced tab, set the constraint type to Finish no earlier than, set the constraint date to the required one. It is that simple. Even though Microsoft Project doesn't include the deadlines in the date constraint group, to me it seems like another type of date constraint. The task must finish by a specific date. Either way, adding a deadline to a task is even easier than adding another date constraint. Find task 18, double-click on it, go to the Advanced tab, and set the deadline date to the required one.